Greetings! It's Maxo Diddly. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can rename your public and serialized field variables so they keep their values in the inspector. Let's get right into it. So I've got a script here and it's got 4 variables that are exposed to the inspector, either being public or serialized field. And if I were to change the names, those values would be gone in the inspector and then I would need to reassign them. However, there's a really quick trick to get around this. So firstly, make sure you have using unity.serialization imported at the top of your code. And for each variable you want to name, you're going to want to do 1 line of code above that variable. So I want to rename my game object, camera for game, to be camera for game 1. And if I do that, what I need to do above the variable is do square brackets, FormerlySerializedAs, then the name of the original variable. So since it used to be called camera for game, I'll put in camera for game as a string. Then I do a square bracket after that. And when we rename the variable, this is going to tell Unity, hey, they're actually renaming the variable, so keep whatever value is assigned in the inspector the same. So let's also do it for player health. So I'm going to rename my variable to player health 2. Above it, I'll do FormerlySerializedAs player health. So I want to rename my player name variable to be player name with 2 extra e's on the end. So I'll do FormerlySerializedAs player name. And just to show it in action, my delicious pie I'll spell the food way, not the mathematical way. But I won't do a FormerlySerializedAs to show this working. So I've made my variable changes. I'm going to save my work and return to Unity. Camera for game 1 had the same value. Player health 2 has the same value. Player name with extra e's is the same, but delicious pie got reverted back to 0 because we didn't do the FormerlySerializedAs. And the great part is, you can now go back into your code and then delete the FormerlySerializedAs lines. And once you delete them, save your work and go back into Unity, your values will remain there, and now you know how you can rename variables in Unity and keep the same values in the inspector so you don't have to waste time dragging and dropping or reassigning those values. Thanks for being a great audience. Be sure to leave a like and a comment if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.